Hello, Facebook, YouTube viewers. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. I'm here to reveal the curl box, unbox my curl box today. I'm excited that finally I made it. I made it to this product, and I'm excited, guys. I've been waiting for this for like 3 months. Like, I'm waking up, I miss it, I wake up, I miss it. Like, oh, finally I made it to the main box. I'm excited to share this product with you guys. So first, let's go on to this. So when you open your box, so it comes in this cute curl box that says curl box. When you open your box, you have curl box come clean. Curl box come clean, and I'm excited, like, guys. And that inside, it gives you all the updates, and it says, this month we are helping you and strands come clean. Could your shampoo practice use a boost? Are you properly riding, building up, both emotional and product wise? Dig into your box for original by the Africa's Best Coconut Cream Collection, and mind these helpful notes. Letter from the editor, come clean. Wash it away. So this pretty much gives you the instructions on how you can use the product, which I love. I really want to do this here. I think it would be cute on me. I don't know. Okay, so we move to the first product. It comes with a shower cap. Oh my god, I love this cap. I love it. Like, I love this cap, yo. I love this cap. It's a very nice cap. Okay. So, in this, it tells you the directions, what the shampoo, what this product is supposed to do to your hair. So, guys, let's move to the first product. So, the first product that we're going to talk about will be the cleanser. So this is Originals Africa's Best Coconut Cream Sulfate Free Moisturizing Shampoo, 100% pure coconut milk and aloe. So what does it say? So this helps both your hair and your scalp to need to be clean in order for healthy hair growth. So be sure to shampoo twice. First, focus on unclogging the pores on your scalp so that our healthy active ingredients can penetrate and go to work. Then rinse and reapply shampoo to gently remove any dirt and impurities from the body of your hair. So pretty much they're asking you to wash the hair twice. Okay. Moving to the next product, conditioning. So this is the conditioning, and it says restorative conditioner. Oh my god. Okay, so let's read. You condition to improve the overall moisture balance, the elasticity and strength of your hair scalp. So remember to condition twice. I never knew that you have to condition twice. Coat strands liberally to gently detangle and rinse any lingering impurities. Then reapply conditioner and allow our amazing blend of healthy hair essentials to remain in a damp hair for 1 to 2 hours to soften and treat strands. Oh, you know why it's so funny? I always condition my hair 15 minutes. But I guess I have to have time if I want this to work by conditioning my hair for 1 hour to 2 hours. For the best noticeable results, condition hair every 2 weeks. So I love it. Like, ooh, it smells so good. Oh my god, I love me some coconut. Okay, so let's move to the next product. Next product is the moisturizer. Leave-in conditioner. So this is the leave-in conditioner. 100% coconut milk, avocado, grapeseed, and organic oils. You can beat that. You can beat that. So let's read. Coconut milk, shea butter, coconut flaxseed, black castor, jojoba, grapeseed, and organic oil. Moisture is key to avoiding breakage, which my hair has been going through. Dryness, tangling, matting, and in some cases hair loss. So be sure to add our amazing leave-in conditioner to your daily access now. Okay, pro tip: apply our LIC while your hair is wet to seal in moist and reduce the occurrence of shrinkage and flyaways. So we're gonna move to the next step. Next product, coconut shine dry oil. I'm yet to see how this works. So shea butter plus vitamin E, coconut olive oils. Now that you have locked the good stuff in your hair, it's a sign to keep the bad stuff out. Everything from cold weather to headwear and hair accessories to pillowcases and sleep routines affect your hair. I didn't know sleeping affect my hair. Coat your hair with our lightweight oil to protect it from the outside element that threatens your hair's health. And I'm so excited. So this is all that comes in the box, guys. Everything. And this is just for $25. So you need to go grab yours now. You can't beat this product. I'm excited to try these products, and I'll let you guys know how it went with my hair, if it really worked, if it really stopped the breakages. I'm really excited to try this product, and I hope you guys go subscribe to this box called the Curly Box. I'm so excited, guys. You all need to go try this product. And stay tuned. Love you guys.